guys, welcome back to my channel. So I think it's been a long time since I had my last video. So Bohol vlog pa yon. And I think it's more than 2 years or 1 year na hindi ako nakapag-upload dito sa YouTube. Pero nag-upload ako sa shorts ko. But anyway, for today's vlog guys, ipapakat ko na yung hair ko. Kasi sobrang long na niya. And then yung ends is very dry. Kasi nag-pariband ako, I think 2024. So, yes. So, ngayon, ipapakat na natin siya. So, first, guys, is pupunta muna kami sa simbahan ng boyfriend ko kasi magsisimba kami. And after, I think, kakain and then magpapakat ako. Tignan niyo, guys. Sobrang taas na niya. And sobrang dry niya. Guys, it's currently 8:54 AM. And then, yung aatan na namin na mass is 10:30. So, magmamadali lang ako, guys, na mag-ayos. And then, pupunta na tayo sa church. I'll see you in a while. So, tapos na akong mag-makeup. Update ko kayo in a while kasi it's currently 9:30. So, I think mga 45 ako aalis ng bahay. So, guys, this is my outfit. So, nag-dress lang ako, ganyan. And then, cardigan. So, yes. And then, magsasandal lang ako in a while. Ay, okay ra na sa kana. Hello guys! So, ito na yung hair ko. So, actually, gusto ko siyang putulan dito. Pero, napansin ko na meron pa siyang konting rebonded na part. So, hindi ko na lang pinaputol ng super short. It costs 350. So, anyway guys, yun na yung vlog ko for today. But anyway, I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe guys. And I will be seeing you on my next videos kasi this coming Saturday, meron kaming pupuntahan na beach. So, I'm so excited for that one. I'll see you!